Dell. Go through, Dell. Get back. 5.
Come get it, Jake.
Look underneath, look underneath.
18!
Coach, you got a mismatch underneath with Declan.
Let's get a better one than that, Jack. Back.
Gotta move.
Let's win! It's your straight. Get back!
Spacing! Spacing!
Declan's up front.
Not a good shot, right?
Down low in football. Five.
Gotta play D. They're on a 10-0 run, coach.
We're back. 5. Eli, go that way. Go. Hayden, throw it to him. He's open. Open, just getting gaps. Go by, Camille. Get downhill, fellas. Go by, go, go. Good, Eli. 5, 5, 5. Who's got ball? Go. Football, look in the roll. Shot. Come on, come on, come on.
Jacob!
Hey, Flynn. Right side low row. Jack, be the 5. Gotta go through, Camille. Right side, go. Hit him. Reverse, back screen, go. You gotta have him. Got him. Go, make free throws. Camille and Kayla wings. Jack, you be the middle. Liam D. On a make. Up. Get him, Camille.
Ah, bad pass. Hands up.
Michigan, Michigan, come on. Reverse, go.
Good boy, Jack.
Good. Good. Michigan.
Gotta stay with it.
Michigan, Michigan.
Back up. All right, Bentley.
Hey, Camille Jack football. Camille Jack football. Pass for. And you're lower, Camille. Attaboy. Michigan, Michigan.
Got the corner.
Corner. Bentley was wide open. Five seconds. Travel.
Stop the ball! ball. Run.
Gotta get that rebound, guys.
Hey, Michigan, hold up top. Down wing. Hands.
What happened? Go, Jack. Plug the middle, Jack. Corner. Come on, Liam. Liam. Good job, Bentley.
That ball side, you gotta be straight that side.
Travel.
Michigan. Be aggressive. Don't settle like that. Hey, next play now. Next play. Hands are up. Okay. Hands.
Wow.
Sub.
Oh, man, that was free.
Box out. Go. 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 Michigan. Michigan. Hey, Westwood, Neil. Where you going? You're good? Eli, go middle. Up the court. Up the court. Go up the court! Camille! It's a 1-2-2! Pass the ball! Go.
Landon, you gotta set your feet.
Travel.
Camille up top. Caden that way. Caden that way. Hands. Good, Camille. Run. Go. Attaboy, Kay. Attaboy, Kay.
What?
Camille. Football Liam.
Hey, pressure him. Back up, DeAndre. Up on it, up. Hands off. He'll turn it over. Hands off.
Michigan. Drop. Eli. Oh, shit. Come on, Camille. Camille, not that far, bud. Trap. Good, buddy. Go, run. To the corner, Eli. To the corner.
You and Billy, tight on it. Screen, good. Hey. Hands up, Jacob. That's a turnover. Up, Landon.
Open. Play.
He got hit in the face.
Come on, one stop, fellas. Give me stop. Come on, Camille. Come on, Camille. Good. No. Good. Good. Go. All the way.
Wait, they're gonna call bump on the other side, but on this side. Gotta get a rebound.
Let's go. Turn it on. Let's go. Come on, Camille.
Declan, you gotta go straight up, all right?
Attaboy, Camille. Move those feet. Hands. Yeah.
Back up, Landon. Move it.
Gotta get the rebound.
Take that. Hands up.
Good ball movement. Keep working. Yeah. Keep working. Michigan again. Turn. Let it go. Stop.
Right there. Come up, son.
With the pass.
His hand was straight up.
Box up. Rebound.
Michigan. Come on. Down play in the middle. AJ. Shake corner. Go. Oh. Step up, Del. Get there, Kay. Good. Oh.
Declan.
Get up. Jack, take 24. Ball gap main line. Ball gap main line. Jack, step up. Hands. Good, AJ. Good, AJ. Good, AJ. Fight. Good job. Oh, that's an attention. 1-on-1, Mike. Ball gap main line. Talk. Travel. Hey.
Foul.
Switch! Damn it down. Go! Stretch now, stretch corner. Look up more. Check. Get back, come on. Michigan. Roll up top. Down back. AJ this way. Down back. Good, AJ. That lift.
Travel.
Hey, Michigan, let's go, get stopped. Go. Back to AJ. AJ Jack.
Hey, pressure! Up!
AJ Jack football.
That's you, Jacob! Start rolling, Billy!
Travel.
Get your man! Hands up! Screen! Good!
Now stop. Great execution. Come back, Nolan. Good. Run. Up.
But she called it kickball.
Yeah, she just be like that. Fellas, put a body on somebody. 5. 1-on-1, Jack. Hands. Good. Come on, Kate. Good. Hey, we'll take it. Caden, that's okay. Way to be aggressive. Good, Jack. On the floor. Hey, let's go orange. Jack and Leah. Orange. Not orange. Pass the ball. You're in it. Finish that. Okay. Go for it.
White ball.
Shooting 2.
Camille, pick up the ball. Good, Jack. Jack, great job, buddy. That's all right. With the pass, get out. Yeah, Nolan. Get out, Nolan.
Get back, watch that middle.
Got a minute. Got a minute.
Good luck, Jack. Good job, bud. Go foul. Hands. Come on, AJ. Come on, AJ.